How to fix Apex Legends unable to connect to EA servers. Before doing this specific troubleshooting steps, make sure that your Apex Legend is not running. To make sure, go to your taskbar, right click, and click on Task Manager. From here, if your Apex Legend is visible, just right click on that and click End Task. Next is go to Details, find your Apex Legend, right click again, and click End Process Tree. Now once you've done that, let's proceed on troubleshooting step 1. Go to your Windows, type in Windows Defender Firewall, go to Advanced Settings. From here, go to Inbound Rules, create a new rule. From here, click Port, Next, and then copy this code right here, the TCP code. Paste it here, then Next, and then allow the connection. Next, make sure that this three options right here is checked. Go ahead and Next, and then name it as Apex Legend TCP. Finish. Now go back to inbound rules, create another rule, go to port, next. This time you'll choose on UDP. Next. Now copy this code right here and then paste it here. Click on next, allow the connection, and again make sure these three options is checked. Name it as Apex Legend UDP. Finish. Close everything. Then second step is go back to your Windows icon, type in cmd, your command prompt. From here, all you have to do is copy and paste this command right here, ipconfig space / flush DNS. Enter. Then once you've done that, second thing is going to be net sh space winsock space reset. Paste it here. Now once everything is set, you'll just have to restart your PC before relaunching your Apex Legend game. So those are the troubleshooting steps on how you can fix Apex Legend unable to connect to EA servers.